You need anything?
Yeah, actually, can you give me some Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, for sure. I can grab you something to eat. Got your Chick-fil-A. Here you go.
Man, in the past, you would have actually gotten this. Thanks.
Trying to change my ways.
Bill?
Bill! Hey,
How
man!
you been?
Long time no
I'm
see,
good.
dude. How you been?
Oh, pretty good, pretty good.
Haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah, you know, I'm in recovery, different lifestyle, you know, that what you guys are still into.
Speaking of all that,
Yeah.
hey, look what I just picked
No,
up.
I
We're
don't
having-
think
we're having a
so.
party
Hey, no charge.
tonight.
Hey, you know what? That's enough. I can't be friends with people like you guys that are gonna drag me into bad habits anymore.
Whatever, Bill.
Hey, are you okay today? Not really. I've just been like really thinking about using again. Have you thought about going back to therapy, or do you want to talk more deeply about this?
I would be open to going back to more therapy, and I would love to talk about it. Thank you. Hey kid, long time no see. I'm so glad I ran into you. I've been doing so much better, and I'm really wanting to be in your life.
Yeah, well, I've just had so much happen since all this has been going on, and it really affected me. So I'm really hoping that we can make our relationship better, but I think I'm gonna need time.
I can understand that. If I was in your position, I would probably feel the same way. Take all the time you